Did you know that a simple seed treatment can dramatically improve your onion germination rates? Specifically, soaking Bellari onion seeds, like the Rampur local variety, in a solution of 100 ppm Ga3 or gibberellic acid for 3 hours can boost germination from 50% all the way up to 90%. This simple step gives your onion crop a much stronger start. It also increases the overall vigor of the seedling. So, before you sow, consider this seed treatment. Why should you care about certified onion seed? Because it can translate directly to higher yields and a more reliable crop. In cereals, the advantages of certified seed are well known, but sometimes vegetable seeds are neglected. Extension agencies need to demonstrate the benefits of certified seed specifically for small-seeded vegetables like onion at the state level. Farmers must see the advantages firsthand to fully understand the value. Many farmers are missing out by not using improved onion varieties. Even though there are notified varieties available, farmers often stick with older ones. The extension agencies in your state need to conduct more demonstrations. These demonstrations can show farmers the benefits of these new improved varieties. Only then will farmers fully understand and make the switch. For the best results with your onion crop, timing is key. In the plains, the optimum sowing season is from the middle of June to the middle of July. Getting your seeds in the ground during this window gives your onions the best possible start. This ensures they develop properly and maximize your yield potential. Mark your calendars accordingly. Let's talk about seed treatment. Before planting, consider soaking your onion seeds in a solution of Ga3 at 100 ppm for 3 hours. This is especially effective for varieties like Bellari onion, specifically the Rampur local cultivar. This soaking enhances germination and boosts seedling vigor, setting your crop up for success right from the start. Make sure to time it properly. Proper fertilization is crucial for a healthy onion crop. At the time of land preparation, add 20 tons of well-rotted farmyard manure. Then, at the time of planting, apply 250 kg of single superphosphate and 45 kg of potassium sulfate. During the growing period, top dress with 250 to 375 kg of ammonium sulfate or can in 2 to 3 doses. This feeding schedule will help your onions thrive. Spacing is important for optimal onion growth. The ideal spacing depends on the variety and the desired bulb size. Generally, you should aim for a spacing of 10 to 15 centimeters between plants. This allows each plant enough room to develop properly and prevents overcrowding, which can reduce bulb size and overall yield. Adjust spacing based on the needs of your chosen onion variety. Irrigation is essential, especially during dry periods. During the winter, irrigate your onion crop every fortnight. When the weather gets hotter, switch to weekly irrigation. During maturity, irrigate sparingly. This ensures that your onions have enough water to grow without becoming waterlogged, which can lead to rot and other problems. Adapt your irrigation schedule to the specific weather conditions. Weeds can steal valuable nutrients and water from your onion crop. To control weeds, consider post-emergence application of Tenarin at 2 kg per hectare in 800 liters of water. Apply this 2 to 3 weeks after transplanting. Alternatively, oxidizone at 1 kg active ingredient per hectare has also proven effective. Keeping your fields weed-free is key to maximizing your onion yield. Onion thrips can be a major pest. Combat them by spraying malathion 50-ACE at 600 to 700 ml per hectare. Thiodon 35-ACE at 600 to 700 ml per hectare is also effective. You may need 3 to 4 applications. For onion maggots, consider spraying with Savimal. Regular monitoring and timely intervention are crucial for preventing significant damage. Damping off can wipe out your seedlings. To prevent it, use treated seed. If you see seedling mortality, drench the nursery with 0.3% Kaptan or Tiram or Dithane Z78 at weekly intervals. Purple blotch can also be a problem. Control it by spraying with copper fungicides such as Blitix 50 at 0.2%. Act quickly to protect your onion crop from diseases. Onion is a largely cross-pollinated crop, so isolation is very important. For pure seed production, the seed fields must be isolated from other varieties of onion. They should also be isolated from fields of the same variety that don't meet varietal purity requirements for certification. Maintain a distance of at least 1000 meters for foundation seed production. For certified seed production, keep a distance of at least 500 meters. One of the problems is no maintenance breeding for improved varieties. Varieties developed by universities or institutes don't pass through maintenance breeding later. So, the varieties don't behave in the same way as when they were developed. This makes applying certification standards for genetics purity impossible. Universities and institutes should continue maintenance breeding of their varieties to keep their distinctiveness, uniformity and stability. So, keep these numbers in mind for a bountiful onion harvest. Soak seeds in 100 ppm Ga3 for 3 hours. Use 20 tons of farmyard manure. Apply 250 kg of superphosphate and 45 kg of potassium sulfate. Space plants 10 to 15 cm apart. Irrigate weekly during hot weather. Apply Tenaran at 2 kg per hectare. Isolate seed fields by 500 meters for certified seed. With these practices, you'll be well on your way to a successful onion crop. Please like this video, share it with fellow farmers, and subscribe to the AgriPlus channel.